Alright, we're just going to tighten the clamp, strike a line, and see what it looks like. Before we get this video started, this one's for you guys. I picked this saw. I reached out to Evolution. This is the one that I chose. I think that anytime you can get a saw on a track for less than 200 bucks, it's worth trying out. Give the video a thumbs up, and this one's for you guys. Strike a line. This should be the
Let
zero.
me tell you about a mistake I made that you're probably going to make too, so it's worth mentioning on this saw. The splinter shield itself is made of rubber, and when you go to cut the first score into this thing, you don't want to set your blade all the way to the full depth because it's just going to continuously grab that rubber and kind of bog down the saw and not be a good first experience. So what you should do is just set the saw blade depth only just beyond, like maybe 1/8 of an inch beyond the rubber. Make that first cut, and then after that we should be good to go.
Okay, let's make sure it's not me.
Yep, so after making sure it was not me, I confirmed that it was in fact me, my mistake, and just check out the rest of these cuts.
Alright, so the initial thought is that this is not permanently attached here, and that's what you're going to get for the value that we've got here. It's an excellent value. We're going to put this on the track. We've got the blade set to a depth not any more than what we need to be cutting. We're not even going to clamp it. We're just going to go for a freehand cut. Let's see how it does. Make sure we got enough space here. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Nice and straight. We go along with our pencil here. Put it back on the track. I mean, it's dead on. Nice clean cut. No problems. All right, now we're going to attach the two plates together. So I've used the Kreg. I've used just about all the cheaper options. On the top, one rail on the bottom here. We're gonna line that up with the red line right there in the middle. And this is kind of cool. All you have to do is just turn this knob just a little bit this way, and it binds because they rotate and they kind of roll outward. We probably will wind up maybe clamping this table. Man, I'd like to see just the limitations of what we can get away with this saw. Let's go for it. We're not even going to clamp it. We're just going to go for it. And let's just see what it's got. We're going to be using the flex blade. This thing has that adapter that I showed you.
It's a crime not to show you how good the multi-material cutting blades are. Here's some proof. We've got plans for this blade on a future video. Sub for more.
We're about to cut some strut here, 1 5/8 inches. Here we go. Nails in this. I've already got a couple here. I'm going to put a couple more for you. No, we're just going to run it. Full depth cut. Very smooth. Pretty darn impressive, actually. Let's keep it moving, taking our time. We're not in a rush here. See if the wood is starting to hit our camera here. Not bad at all. Look at that cut. Not bad. That's all I wanted to see. Take our, let's not go quite a full 45. Let's do this. That way I don't cut my table. About a 25-degree bevel there. Great control. No problems there. $80 saw. I think the 4 feet of rail would have been a little bit smarter, but you can get 3 feet of rail for 150, and you can get 8 feet of track, 110 inches of track for 150 bucks. You've got a full track saw kit. It's not really a track saw, it's a circular saw with a track, but damn, it's impressive. And you can see we're starting to roll there a little bit. We're not even, I mean, this is not a good idea what we're doing here. We're just seeing what this thing can hold. It's doing great. Here's our angle there. Not bad at all. For the price, I don't know what else you're gonna find. It does everything it needs to. Go check out the Evolution. 8-foot length of track is $150 for the set. You get the saw for like $80. I think it's a good value for a circular saw with a track. Only complaint would be that this here is not permanently affixed, but if you look at the back of this, it has a clear stop on the back, so you know where this is always supposed to be. It can't go any further this way. So if we make sure that this is on the back edge here, you should be able to get a nice zero cut every time. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.